Okay, so I've got an open house today, and today I will share with you this beautiful home, minutes from Emory University and Center for Disease Control. It has recently, very recently, been renovated to what we will see inside. There, you can see that there is a creek that runs through this property, and the fantastic yard that is in front, as well as we will see the yard in back. So right there we have a great bench that gives a wonderful place to sit out and enjoy the yard and all the nature that comes through it. Earlier I saw a hawk fly through it. Actually, it was a falcon. Now this door is just fantastic. But let's go inside. Let's go inside and see what's going on. And right away, once you come in, you see your eyes are drawn to that wonderful fireplace that gives you some nostalgia of when this home was originally built. It is featured there in gravel to give it a different feel. And of course, it goes all the way up to the ceiling to emit the smoke that it gives off. And of course, it's a very high ceiling, and you get to take in that wall unit or wall feature. It is hardwood floors, and you can see all the various textures that are still remaining, and I'm going to fall into the granite or gravel. So here we have a wet bar for your entertaining pleasure. And then we get to see this outdoor space. It is outside. And just beyond the creek, there's the bridge. And that is also an outdoor space that is part of this property line as well. So really great front yard and fantastic backyard as well. Now let's go on through and see the rest of this home. There is that great door from the inside and beautiful light fixture. Let's see this home. It's a very unique floor plan, very, very different from what you will see in most places. And now we'll take a look at the owner's suite, also giving off lots of light, as you can see, where you can look out as you wake up in the morning to the beautiful backyard that is the owner's suite. Again, a wet bar. There is the walk-in closet, hardwood floors, textured walls, and here is the owner's refreshment area, I will call it. Here's your dual vanity. There is another closet there and a freestanding bathtub. All right, let's go see some more of this house, this very beautiful renovation. It is 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. That was the owner's suite that we saw there, and a lovely, very different hallway. Here, this second bedroom and bath is being used as an office space. We have a closet there, and this barn door leads to this bathroom. Very different textures. And there is more in this hallway. This is now the 3rd bedroom. Nice windows, great lighting, and the bath. This is a renovation, so some of the feeling is from the original construction. Great use of the space with modern textures. And the kitchen. We've got great lighting again, with a great view of the backyard. And another living space. Butler's pantry there. Mudroom and laundry are here. And another powder room. This again is in Atlanta, very near Emory University and the Centers for Disease Control. It is currently on the market for $969,000, and I'd love to be your realtor. Go ahead and click subscribe so we can stay in touch.